I have to always keep in mind that the people that I represent are people who have had tragedy come into their life, horrible injuries or death. And the reason I love what I do is I have the opportunity to help that person change those circumstances through a civil justice system that does work if you work hard and believe in what you're doing. Lawyers who do personal injury work, like me, almost to a person, to a man or woman, offers what's called a contingent fee arrangement. And this is an arrangement that's been authorized in the law for decades and was originally put in place to recognize that most folks, ordinary people, don't have the resources to hire a lawyer and pay that lawyer by the hour and incur the costs of the litigation. Even folks who may have some savings but have become hurt, lose their employment, have mounting medical expenses, oftentimes run out of the ability to pay a lawyer. So a contingent fee offers people in the most dire situation an opportunity to have quality legal representation without paying for that representation up front. In my practice, the contingent fee arrangement is a graduated one in which the percentage of the recovery is based on the timing of the case. If the case can get resolved quickly, if there's an opportunity for that. Sometimes in cases when there's not enough insurance given the seriousness of the injuries, it's more probable than not that the case can get settled early. And as the case goes on and the amount of time and effort that's devoted to it increases, then that contingency rate also increases with the time. I've found in my practice, even through cases involving multi-million-dollar judgments, that at the end of the day, given the time that I put into it, if it had been an hourly arrangement, it'd be pretty close to the same kind of fee schedule. The other thing that I do is to advance the cost of the case, which is very common in our line of work, which can be quite expensive. A full-blown personal injury trial oftentimes can result in costs just to prepare the case, just to get it through the system and get it to the courtroom with the right witnesses and so forth, $100,000. So that's why I'm a contingent fee lawyer. That's why it's pretty much required for this kind of specialty in the law, personal injury practice. I have taken cases where people have paid me by the hour, and I'm always willing to do that if someone would prefer that arrangement over a contingent fee arrangement.